Stay away from my little, sweet, precious, delightful son, or I will harm you.
Stay away from my little, sweet, precious, delightful son, or I will harm you.
Hi. I'm Angry Son. I think you know my mom. Angry Mama. Isn't she a delight? Well, good news. I can do the same thing as her. Just try me. All you need to do is just get a 12-ounce paper hot cup. Add 3 ounces of vinegar. And 4 ounces of water. You can also add some lemon juice. Then put me in the microwave oven for 5 to 7 minutes.
Goodbye, I'll miss you. We are all done. Now all you need to do is wipe the inside of the microwave oven. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.